Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Chronicles, your guide to the fascinating world of electrical systems. Today, we're diving into the heart of industrial machinery, three-phase motor starters. These unsung heroes play a crucial role in countless applications, from powering heavy-duty machinery in factories to driving pumps and HVAC systems in commercial buildings. In this edition of Tech Chronicles, we'll demystify the world of three-phase motor starters. We'll break down their importance, delve into the installation process, and equip you with the knowledge to tackle this task with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned electrician or a curious DIY enthusiast, this guide will serve as your roadmap to mastering motor starter installations. Let's get those motors running. Before we jump into the installation process, let's take a moment to grasp the fundamentals of three-phase power. Unlike single-phase power commonly used in residential settings, three-phase power delivers three alternating currents that are out of phase with each other. This results in a more efficient and powerful electrical supply, ideal for running large motors and heavy machinery. Think of it like this. Imagine pushing a heavy object. It's much easier and more effective to have three people pushing in a coordinated manner, each applying force at a slightly different time. The three phases work together to provide a constant and powerful rotational force, making it perfect for driving motors. Directly connecting a large motor to a three-phase power supply would be like slamming a car into gear at full throttle. It would result in a massive surge of current, potentially damaging the motor and the electrical system. By gradually ramping up the voltage and current, motor starters ensure a smooth and controlled start, protecting the motor from damage and extending its lifespan. Now that we've covered the basics of three-phase power and the role of motor starters, let's take a closer look at the essential components that make up these devices. Understanding these components is crucial for a successful installation and for troubleshooting any potential issues that may arise. 1. Contactors. These are the heart of a motor starter. Contactors are essentially electrically controlled switches that establish and interrupt the power supply to the motor. 2. Overload relay. Just like any electrical device, motors can overheat and get damaged if subjected to excessive current for prolonged periods. These clever devices constantly monitor the current flowing through the motor and trip if it exceeds a safe limit, effectively disconnecting the motor from the power supply and preventing damage. 3. Enclosure. All these components are housed within a protective enclosure that shields them from dust, moisture, and other environmental factors. 4. Control circuit. This is the brain of the motor starter, responsible for receiving control signals and activating the contactor